Alright guys, welcome to Bolivia. We will admit, Bolivia was not on our radar initially. One of those countries that is not highly promoted for tourism, but what an incredible surprise. There are so many pleasant sights to see and do.
Yeah, exactly. It's like, we were shocked guys. First, we went to La Paz. Our journey starts in La Paz, and you know what's really cool about La Paz? It's surrounded by mountains all over the place. They're gorgeous. The mountains are fantastic. But, you know how they get around? They get around by cable car. Yeah, they don't have a subway or anything like that, but they have this intricate cable car that spans everywhere, and you can get from one end to the other. It's really, really cool. Doing that aerial from an aerial view is freaking awesome.
And one of the best experiences for me in La Paz was Valle de la Luna. This place was literally like walking on the moon. It's Moon Valley, translation. Incredible scenery, incredible sight.
Yeah, that was really cool. I'm so glad we saw that. But for me, bucket list event, guys, the salt flats. Salt flats Uyuni. This is one of the world's largest salt flats in the world, I think. Maybe it is the largest, I don't know. But guys, you gotta see this. It goes on for miles and miles. All you see is this white salt everywhere. It's crazy. That was a bucket list event for me.
The various ecosystems in Bolivia is quite spectacular. You literally go from desert to jungle to salt flats. There's so much to do. I will admit, one of my fond memories is I finally sandboarded. I didn't chicken out this time. I did last time in Peru.
She did it. She did it.
I did it.
She did it. Actually, that was really, really cool. In Santa Cruz we did this, guys. Santa Cruz is another pretty big city there, and pretty interesting city, quite honestly. But who would have known, just 30 minutes away, they had the desert. And the desert is surrounded by the jungle. It's crazy. The jungle is lush, it's green, it gets obviously rain, but the desert is completely barren and dry. And it makes no sense to be right beside each other and have this wall that just creates itself. Jungle, desert, jungle, desert. Guys, it's incredible. Bolivia is astounding for so many landscapes.
And we saw sloths! Finally! So, 9 months in South America, I've been dying to see sloths. Now we saw one little one in Colombia, but it was really small and really high up and hard to see. We saw sloths.
We made a point of going on a sloth tour, and we enlisted the sloth specialist, Nick from Nick Adventures, and he showed us where the sloths were, and he pointed them out. This guy's got a great eye. Highly recommend his adventures, guys. All right, guys, one other super point that completely escaped us. We didn't expect this. Bolivia has great food and fantastic wine. I mean, literally, the local wine is really, really good and inexpensive. And the food was fantastic and inexpensive. They grill their meats to perfection. We had such a good time eating and drinking our way through the country. And for me, again, another real bucket list, something I never thought I would see. I didn't even know this existed. Dinosaur footprints, guys. We walked in the footsteps of dinosaurs. You can't miss this stuff. This is what's coming up in the preceding videos of Bolivia. Our Bolivian series is going to knock your socks off. Stay tuned and watch everything, guys. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it as much as we did. Cheers. Cheers.